Hello everyone, I'm Smolinski, Senior Manager of Product Marketing at Renesas Electronics. In this video, I would like to show you a new use case supported by the FiRa consortium to help make your life easier called Find Someone, Find Something. Have you lost something today? Maybe in the morning you were looking for your car keys or your glasses, or maybe your daughter's favorite teddy bear that she always misplaces. Numerous surveys have consistently found that the average person spends about 10 to 15 minutes a day looking for misplaced items like keys, wallets, or bags. While that doesn't sound like much, this can roughly amount to over 5,000 hours of your lifetime, or over 200 days. Wouldn't it be great to reduce this time with the help of technology? You have probably all heard about, or maybe even own, one of these recently introduced small smart tags that can easily be put into a bag or attached to a keyring. Using your mobile phone, you can then open an application, select the tag you want to find, and get directions on the phone, mostly indicated by an arrow, to find out where your lost item should be. The closer you get to this item, the more accurate the arrow is. Soon you'll find the item and where you put it. But how does this actually work from a technical perspective? There are three aspects to finding a lost item. 1. Item identification. What is this item that you're actually looking for? 2. Distance. How far away is this item from me? And 3. Direction. Where do I have to go to find it? The identification is usually provided from a previous pairing of the device you're using to search with, let's for now say your mobile phone, with the actual item you're looking for, let's call it a tag. Once this pairing is set up, the tag will emit messages announcing its identification on a regular basis. If the mobile phone picks up this message, it will start using ultra-wideband to start determining the distance and direction. For distance measurement, a two-way ranging method is used. This means that the mobile device will send a UWB message out to the tag, and the tag will reply to it with its own message. Based on the time it took from sending the message to receiving the reply, the mobile phone can then calculate the distance between these two objects. This is called time of flight measurement. Finally, to determine the direction, the mobile phone uses its multiple antennas to determine the angle of arrival. Two antennas receiving the same message from the tag will notice slight differences in the signal, specifically a phase difference. This can be used to calculate if the signal is coming from your left or right. When using more than two antennas, it is also possible to identify whether the tag is in front of, behind, above, or below you. Just follow the arrow on your screen pointing you in the right direction until you ultimately locate the tag. If it's close but you cannot see it, it can also emit sounds, so you can even find it under a pile of clothes. Similar to finding items, this technology can also be used to find a car in a large parking lot, check if your luggage is on the plane, or find other people in crowded places. While the process works in a similar fashion as just described, the FiRa specifications also provide additional mechanisms to take care of situations where there are multiple measurements activities ongoing and people's devices compete for access to the wireless medium. By harnessing FiRa specifications and taking advantage of its certification program, it becomes simpler to develop products designed to find people or items, as well as integrate UWB technology into various objects. More importantly, it promotes interoperability with other products that have gone through the same process. Go to FiRaconsortium.org to find out more about UWB, its use cases, and how to become a member to participate in making lives easier and things easier to find.